Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we learn how to make wudu. Make the intention, niyyah, in your heart. Intend to perform wudu for purification and prayer. Say Bismillah. Begin by saying, Bismillah, in the name of Allah. Wash your hands. Wash both hands up to the wrists 3 times, washing between fingers. Rinse your mouth. Take water, swish, and spit out 3 times. Rinse your nose. Sniff water into nostrils with the right hand and blow out with the left, 3 times. Wash your face. Wash the face completely 3 times. Men with thick beards should run wet fingers through the beard. Wash your arms. Wash the right arm first, then the left, from fingertips to elbows, 3 times each. Wipe your head. Wet hands and wipe over the head once, front to back and back to front. Wipe your ears. Use wet index fingers for the inside and thumbs for the back of the ears, once. Wash your feet. Wash the right foot up to the ankle 3 times, then the left, ensuring water reaches between toes. Make sure that water also goes into the finger web space. Sahih Muslim 234b. Chapter 6, Ad, Dhikar, the remembrance, which is recommended following wudu. Uqba b. Amir al-Juhani reported, Verily the Messenger of Allah, said and then narrated, the hadith, like one that he said. I testify that there is no God but Allah, the One, there is no associate with him, and I testify that Muhammad is his servant and his messenger. Anyone who says this after wudu, the 8 gates of paradise will be open to him, and he will enter through whichever one he wishes.